taken one large onion, chop it into dices like so. Kande Pohe is a popular breakfast and snack available in the culinary of Maharashtra, also a famous street food. Chop few stems of coriander along with the leaves. Do add the stems of coriander, this adds a nice flavor. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of thick poha. Do not soak the poha, just wash it 2 to 3 times and place it in a strainer like so. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix this well and keep it aside. In a pan, I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of oil. To this, add handful of peanuts. Roast the peanuts till it's nice and crisp, like so. Now remove the peanuts and in the same oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the seeds crackle, add few curry leaves. Now I'm adding the chopped onions. Saute for a minute. I have added 1 chopped green chili. Saute the onions till it's soft and translucent. It will take a couple of minutes. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute this till the raw smell of turmeric goes off. Now add the poha and the roasted peanuts. Mix this well. Add a splash of water to moisten the poha. Add few coriander leaves. Mix this well. Now close the lid and cook it for a couple of minutes so that all the flavors comes together. That's it. Kande Pohe is ready to be served. Let's do the plating. Do try the simple and flavorful dish. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Also, like and share. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.